What you're looking for is most amount of money, least amount of hassle, right? Sometimes it might be if you want to maximize your ROI and you've got the funds to do it, it might be kitchens and baths. What are some strategic steps you can make over the next 12 months to maximize your ROI? All right, today we're going to talk about how much do we need to do for repairs before we go to list our house. So this is a really interesting question, and it's really going to the answer is it depends. So what does it depend on? It depends on what the comps are, right? So depending on what's happening in your area and what the condition of your home is will directly correlate to what you need to do or not do when you go to sell a home. What you're looking for is most amount of money, least amount of hassle, right? So what are some things that are that? Sometimes just paint and carpet. Sometimes just paint and carpet cleaning. Sometimes it might be if you want to maximize your ROI and you've got the funds to do it, it might be kitchens and baths, right? What I encourage you to do is if you have any deferred maintenance items, just start taking care of those now while you live in the house versus doing it for the next seller. I'll tell you a funny story. Half my house didn't have AC in our last place, and we would just put the window units in for the summer. And then when we went to sell it, we looked and all the comps had AC all over the house. So what do? We got the AC. Whereas if we would have just bought the AC earlier, because we had the funds to do it, if we would have just bought the AC earlier, we could have enjoyed it and sold it and still made the same amount of money, right? Actually turned that one into a rental. So what I would advise you to do is go ahead and reach out to a realtor. I know here at the Delia Group, we give up to a 12-month in advance plan as to what to do and what not to do in order to get your house ready. That way you have enough time to knock out those different items. And we have a variety of vendors if you want to leverage those. And so you'll want to reach out to whatever real estate expert you have in your market, ask for their vendor list on the different things that you're looking to do, and ask them what's going to give me the biggest bang for the buck if I go and rehab it. Is it redoing my kitchen? Is it redoing my bathroom? Is it paint? Is it carpet? What are those things that'll go a long way for the least amount of hassle where I can maximize my equity? Typically, if you can just move even a few percentage points on equity, if your house is worth $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, $700,000, you're talking about a significant amount of increase in your net. So reach out to your realtor, ask them what those things that you could be doing, what are some strategic steps you can make over the next 12 months to maximize your ROI, and then when you go onto the market, do one final competitive market analysis, understand what's available, what are you going to be competing with, what's currently pending. If you have a great agent, they've already reached out to those agents to get a grasp of what's happening with the pendings, and then what's sold, and when did they sell, and what were the market conditions that took place when those sales were happening. So if you're here in Metro Detroit and you have those questions, go ahead and reach out to us at the Delia Group. We would love to talk to you. Thanks.